Quality works prolong communication walls of Rongpong and Monteron village. Four PMAYG houses incomplete even after 1.5 years inside Diopani constituency. Good morning everyone, this is Bhamilin Teronpi bringing you the latest news updates. Now the news in details. Residents of Rongpong Monteron village has expressed their deep disappointment and displeasure over the poor quality for construction work carried out by contractor in their area. This was expressed during an interaction with Karbi Anglong Live during a visit to the area. The two villages are located inside Langhin and falls under the Singhason constituency, and the area is deprived of basic needs and infrastructure. According to the villagers, a culvert and retaining wall constructed by one social worker, Rajan Tiso, is of appalling quality, due to which the people of the area are suffering the consequences of his poor quality works. Following this, the villagers has demanded better quality of construction and has warned of strong action against the contractor if their rightful demands are not fulfilled at the earliest.
Lada butung otopan nili ngaklong pengkaldon pagiri glo. Athela alang litum Rongpong Monteron norong. Labang so tuar kino pen basi alang tum nan itu panang kang humri basi alang litum pani la hok pen rodom iglo basi nil tum bage Singhason kontensia arlusi kedo la pendak Jaipong pen Rongpong Monteron norong aroi 3 kilometer ang adak kitingdo basi labang so tuar non dia batai sanitum gomena tumhan mane la kaunsil ke do tumhan yem ke mana tum an phan tum chunigri dam lo tila suatu warna anta nang lang lelang
ene ni tuma kisung bangkela lo je ladak ni tum langroy do isya langroy la solangroy bangke inglong pen nang kili ajur ing tang pik la soposi ladak kenang nung kami klem bangke dakeroy re karbhar punoy dolong punoy adak pinang roy re anla sini ni tumphan Singhason constituency pen ni tumphan isi la sobang so alang roy kachelat je phan scheme nang pilo lake 17 lakhs 85,000 an scheme nang pilo ladak an pen ladak a contractor bang Rajan Tiso alang center asor siku alang li
Sarpangri into report Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. At least 4 PMAYG houses were left incomplete in the Nambar Bagan Purana Hospital village. The construction of these houses started over 1.5 years ago, but were left incomplete due to the reasons only known to the contractor and the concerned department. Located inside the 24 Diopani constituency, the beneficiaries of PMAYG houses were left completely disappointed and let down over the abandonment of the construction work, stating that this is only prolonging their sufferings. The contractor of the construction work was identified as one Nipen Tante. According to the beneficiaries, when the first installment were received, the contractor brought stone chip, sand and other materials, and construction was done for a small, but the contractor stopped the construction work even after receiving the second installment money from UCO Bank, after which he was never seen again. The 4 incomplete PMAYG houses of this village is now lying in appalling conditions, and further delay in its completions would only lead to irreparable damage.
ফার্স্টে মে পয়সা উলালো তারপরে হাফটা উঠলো আর তারতে মে কি হলো যে আমরা গম নাই পাই লিপেন লগে দায় করে আমরা উলাই দিছে আম ব্যাংক দায় করে খেপা দিদি তাতে পয়সা উলালো বললো যে আমরা গম নাই পাই ঘরটা নাই হইছে।
Following this, the 4 beneficiaries have urged upon the concerned department and the contractor to complete their respective houses at the earliest and put a stop to their sufferings. Subhas Tirang report Langchitin for Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
Humri dam ikha. Dipu rong supialong kicheng sik mate non hedjong kangpumi the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers sakula dalong nanglitum anam ki jumpen blanket mate kachioma pik kachin thanga peri osomar aperi karbia pindeng peseleng pini pekok lapen kaprek aperi ke chogabar sai long ikji lapen nanglitum jongsi akula dalong kedam jia phan apor duredat pusitami matha ikri bangso akula dalong pen ke thon ke banabar sai setami long ikji Lasi Humri Damikha, the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim Lake, Dipu Ronghelan, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Adung.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. Local residents of Bokazan have expressed their great concerns over vehicle theft in the town. This was expressed following theft of 3 motorcycles from a house on Tuesday night. The incident occurred on October 6 when 3 motorcycles were stolen from the house of one Rotondas. According to the owner, the bikes that were stolen by unknown persons were Hero Extreme with the registration number AS09F8763, Bajaj Discovered and TVS Apache with the registration number AS09G2854. The owner told reporters that the thief was discovered only on the next day, after which the matter was immediately reported to Bokazan police. It may be mentioned that several days back, 2 bikes were also stolen from Sukhanjan while another 2 wheelers were also stolen from Borjan High School. Following this, people of Bokazan and adjoining towns have also expressed their great concerns over the rising cases of theft of vehicles and are still awaiting breakthrough. Anantarang Bokazan for Karbi Anglong Live. In a major relief for many people, the Dongkamukam weekly market reopened after months of nationwide lockdown imposed across the country following the outbreak of coronavirus. Our Dongkamukam correspondent has sent us this report. The nationwide lockdown, which was imposed by the central government in a bid to curb the spread of the COVID-19, has had a massive impact on the common people across the country. People of West Karbi Anglong district has also been severely hit by the lockdown due to shutdown of daily and weekly markets, mainly affecting small farmers whose source of livelihood depends on sale of the crops and other products they grow. However, with the reopening of weekly market after a gap of 6 months, from Thursday, poor villagers and farmers were seen back with their products and buyers were also seen in huge numbers. For the villagers, the reopening of market means a source to support their family and children. Kabon Militi Sopi reports, Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.